What is good, YouTube? It is a beautiful morning. Thought I'd get a ride in before it gets too hot. Just out here rolling and rambling. So, with all the restrictions going on today, you know, with the virus and such, I know some states are a little bit different than others, and obviously some countries are a little bit different than others. I'm starting to see some of the restrictions be a little relaxed. Like, for example, and maybe you can answer this question, what's it like where you're at? You know, some of the places you are used to going to, like a venue, going somewhere and watching a local band, or maybe a bike night. And it, you know, it doesn't have to be motorcycle related. I'm just wondering if you're able to do those types of things now. The reason I'm asking is because not too long ago, a couple Fridays ago, I went to a bike night, first one I'd been to in, gosh, I don't know, it's been close to 2 years. And they had a live band, and it was nice to get out, and I actually got to hang out with a local fellow moto vlogger, Father Bobber. So shout out to Father Bobber. Go check out his channel, some great content, great guy. But I'm noticing more things are starting to open up now. There's some people that typically have bike nights and they're not doing it for obvious reasons. But I'm starting to see, you know, more parks being open up. Like, not just regular parks, just, you know, like amusement parks and stuff like that. And I'm sure you're seeing that where you're at. It might be a little bit more lax there where you're at than it is for me. I know obviously it's based on business. Some businesses still want you to wear a mask and so forth, but where I'm at, I go to my local grocery store and I'm not wearing a mask. Nobody's telling me to. I'm just curious about, you know, where it is. What's it like where you're at? Are you seeing some changes? Is it getting worse? I know in some countries it's still pretty much a big lockdown. So I'm curious for those people in other countries how they're dealing with it, or are things getting better? And with traveling coming up pretty soon, I'm curious how that's going to affect our ability to do things. And I get stuck behind a tractor, but that's normal because I'm out in the country. It's alright. Welcome to Kentucky. This happens more often, but I ain't mad. I get it. People got to work. There's a lot of farmers out here. But I hope people are staying safe. I'm not telling you not to stay safe. You know, do what's best for you. It's a choice, right? Your choice to wear a mask. If you feel like you want to wear one, wear one. And it's very important to stay safe, and I hope everybody's staying safe out there. But at the same time, just enjoy life. Get out on that bike and ride. I'm not going to stop. I got too much going on, too much stuff planned. But I'm going to go ahead and end this, because I don't know when I'm going to get away from this tractor. And I'm going up on a curve. So I'm going to end the video right here. Y'all have a great weekend. Stay safe. Like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the ride. See ya.